Hey guys, here's the Nervous System Stations lab. I'm just showing you here that this lab has two parts. One part is I don't want to say piece of paper, but one part is the pages where it has blanks in it and you're actually filling things out. The other part is the information for that blanks paper. So this one here, there's some pages of just background information, useful stuff. It talks about the nerve impulse. I think there's a question about that, a chart to fill out. It goes a little bit, sorry, the spacing got a little wonky. Talking to where these nerves are, I think you do a little bit of labeling. Here too, the synapse, you'll look at this, you'll label some stuff here. Okay, this part here, things like colorblind. All right, can you see the numbers? So you probably want to have this on your iPad. I wouldn't print this out in black and white especially. Maybe have it on a computer next to you. If you have an extra screen you can use. Some optical illusions. All right, these ones here. If you've ever seen or heard of magic eye, this used to be really big when I was younger, which I realized was a little while ago. It wasn't that long ago. But you kind of have to squint and cross your eyes a little bit. There are pictures in both. So give it a try. It's not going to happen right away. It takes a little bit of practice. You know, maybe have someone around you try it, see if they can see it. But eventually something should kind of pop out in a 3D way. Some more optical illusions. Some things here, stare at the black spot, stare at the nose. You're just trying them, okay? I can't obviously force you to see something. If you're not perceiving it, you're not perceiving it. But, you know, try it once. If it doesn't work, try it again. Okay, this is not by any means like a perfect eye test or anything. There's nothing wrong with you. It's just something that's kind of cool. I like the illusions. I like that you can kind of trick your eyes to do different things. So this information sheet you are not submitting, just submit the answer sheet, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.